Okay guys, you've seen this bike plenty of times. This is my 2024 YZ125 and today is a big day for me. I've been waiting 10 years to order one of these exhaust systems and you're gonna say, you must be crazy. I mean, I've got a brand new FMF exhaust system on here and I'm gonna take this off and replace it with a Bill's pipe. Yeah, that's right, a Bill's pipe. 10 years ago, I was thinking, man, I'd love to own a Bill's pipe. And you know, if you've watched my channel, I've bought and installed a lot of FMF systems and a lot of Pro Circuit systems, but never have I owned a Bill's pipe until now. So it just showed up. Let's have a look at it and get it unboxed and tell me what you think. All right, the big moment. We're gonna unbox the Bill's pipe. Just arrived. This is for the 2024 YZ125, the big moment. First time ever seeing one of these. And what do we got here? Yeah, all right, a little check. What does this look like? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, that thing is sweet. Guys, there it is. The Bill's pipe. This is going on my 2024 YZ125. Dang, look at that thing. That is sweet. Let's get it out of the plastic. There it is, just out of the plastic. Look at that. That is a crazy looking exhaust. This is a Bill's pipe, right? For a 2024, well, it'll fit the 2022 through 2024 and I'm sure 2025 YZ125. Let's flip it over and have a look at the other side. Dang, that's a thing of beauty. Look at that. That's going on my YZ. Shoot, that's gonna look trick. Guys, come on. Look at that. Let's get this thing installed. Let's look at the other side of the pipe too. Guys, this is a work of art. Bill's pipe. All right, look at that. Fresh out of the box, still in the box. Does that look sweet or what? Man, I can't wait to get this thing mounted up. Yes, after 10 years of wanting to own a Bill's pipe, there it is. I finally have my Bill's pipe. Look at that thing. Shoot, I don't even know what to say. That looks so sweet. But enough talk. Let's get it out of the box and let's get this thing on the bike. But we're gonna do a couple little comparisons first, just so you guys can see the difference between the FMF and the Bill's pipe. Just kind of having a look at the, you know, the aesthetics. And again, you know, looks are one thing, but how this thing runs, performs and all that, I'm sure it's gonna be good. If it looks this good, it's gotta run good. All right, a quick little visual comparison here. Let's check that out. Wow, what do you think? That's gonna look way different, I would say. We have yet to get it on the bike, of course, but shoot. It's gonna look good. All right, guys, there it is. The Bill's pipe. Gonna replace my FMF system with it. And already I can tell you, there's a big difference just in the shape of this pipe versus the FMF pipe. Not saying that's better or whatever, but it is different. It's very different. I mean, guys, come on, look at this thing. The Bill's pipe for my 2024 YZ125. Shoot, this thing is incredible looking. Hopefully it runs as good as it looks, but man, it looks good. And it will make a big difference, no doubt. in the way this 2024 YZ looks. But what do you guys think? What do you think of this pipe, the Bills pipe? Now, if I can just get Bills to send me one of their carbon silencers, I'd be even more impressed. Maybe I'll just end up buying one anyway to complete the package. But the Bills pipe in detail for the YZ125, we'll get this on there and we'll get some sound checks. And again, let's have a look at the difference in these two pipes, right? Pretty incredible. Always wanted to own one of these. Finally, here, after 10 years of wanting to own a Bills pipe, it's in my garage and it's getting bolted up to my YZ125. The Bills pipe, check it out. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you the Bills pipe out of the box. I mean, I just unpacked this, give you a quick comparison, right, with my FMF pipe, just, you know, so you can get a feel for it. I'm not gonna do the install right now. I'm gonna probably do that next weekend. I couldn't wait to get this thing out of the box and have a look at it though, and man, I'm glad I did. So this is just a premiere video just to kind of show you the look and feel of the Bills pipe. You know, just couldn't wait to get it out of the box. The wait is over. So yeah, hope you guys like that. Tell me what you think about this pipe, and especially this pipe compared to the FMF exhaust. What do you guys think? Would you buy one of these? I'm glad I did. I just hope, like I said, I hope it runs as good as it looks, because it looks unbelievable. So again, just a quick video to show you the pipe. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. And there's a lot more to come on this pipe on this bike.